Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a cube with symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a cube root on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show. So first, if you are just clicking the insert option, there is no insert symbol option present here. So you can use your keyboard shortcut as an alternative. So for the cube root, you just have only one keyboard shortcut. You just want to press Windows key plus dot symbol. So you just press the Windows key on your keyboard and press the dot symbol, and it will open this emoji and also symbol dialog box. Click on the symbol option first. Then you just need to change you can see a lot of categories on the downside. You just want to change this to this category. It's called math symbol, and just scroll down to the bottom section. You can find this cube root symbol there. So press Windows key and dot, and now you can just want to click on the symbol option. Just click on the math symbol option, just scroll down and you can find the cube root symbol, and you can insert how many times you just needed. This is how you just insert a cube root symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.